Hi there. Today I'm going to walk you through the basics of life insurance and how Senior Benefits Plus can help secure your future. Life insurance provides financial security and peace of mind for you and your loved ones. Whether you're looking to cover final expenses, replace income, or leave a legacy, life insurance ensures your family is supported during life's most challenging times. Let's dive into the different types of life insurance we offer. First up, term life insurance. Term life insurance provides coverage for a specific period like 10, 20, or 30 years. If you pass away during that term, your loved ones receive a cash payout, called a death benefit, to help with expenses like bills, debts, or other financial needs. It's usually more affordable than other types of life insurance, making it a great choice if you need protection for a set time, like during retirement or while paying off a mortgage. It's straightforward, affordable, and helps ensure your family is taken care of when they need it most. Next, we have whole life insurance. Whole life insurance lasts your entire life and provides a guaranteed cash payout to your loved ones when you pass away. It helps cover expenses like final costs, debts, or leaving a legacy. This type of insurance also builds cash value over time, which you can borrow against or use for emergencies. While it costs more than term insurance, it offers lifelong protection and added financial benefits, making it a reliable way to plan for your family's future. Lastly, let's talk about universal life insurance. Universal life insurance is flexible and provides lifelong coverage while building cash value over time. You can adjust your premiums and coverage amounts to fit your changing needs. The policy's cash value grows based on interest, and you can borrow or withdraw from it if needed. It offers the protection of a death benefit for your loved ones while giving you more control over your policy, making it a versatile option for long-term financial planning. At Senior Benefits Plus, we're here to help you find the right solution to safeguard your family's future. Serving Kansas, Missouri, and Oklahoma. Life insurance for you, your family, and your peace of mind. Thanks for watching and take care.